everyone, today I'll be covering heaps. Heaps are complete binary trees with a heap property. Now complete binary trees have all of their levels filled except for the last one. And the last level, if it's not filled, all the nodes have to be left aligned. Now this is a non-complete binary tree because the second level of the tree isn't complete. And this is a non-complete binary tree because the last level's nodes aren't left aligned. So there are two types of heaps or heap property rules. One is min heaps, in which the parent node has to have a value less than its children, and max heaps are just the opposite. You would want to use a heap when implementing a priority queue, a different data structure, scheduling tasks in an application, or graph algorithms. Some common methods include insert, in which you add a node to a heap. So given this min heap, let's say I want to insert a value, the node with a value of 2. Well, I would add it to the heap and then make sure it doesn't violate the heap property, in the case of a min heap, it would be the parent's node's values have to be less than its children, and that means I'd have to swap it with the node with a value of 4. Next is extract max, which also has an extract min variant, which just extracts the maximum value inside a heap. So given this max heap, let's say I call extract max on it. I'll have to remove the node with a value of 5, take the last node and turn that into the root node, and make sure this new heap doesn't violate the heap property, which would be max heap property. And that would mean I'd have to swap this node with value of 2 with the one with the value of 4. And then there's peek, which just takes a look and returns the value of the top level element without changing the heap. So here's a max heap implementation in JavaScript, and you can pause the video here because it's quite long, but two helper methods that are important to know are bubble up and bubble down. Bubble up is used when you insert an element into the heap, and what this does is it moves the newly added node up the heap to make sure it doesn't violate the heap property. And bubble down just works the opposite way. When you remove or extract a node from a heap, it will swap the element down the heap to make sure it doesn't violate the heap property. And the comparison operators inside those methods would be different whether or not you're doing a max heap or min heap implementation. Thank you guys for watching.